Our kidneys, the two bean-shaped organ, filters all the blood in our body every 30 minutes. This is to filter and remove waste, toxins, and excess fluid. This also helps control blood pressure, stimulate production of red blood cells, keep the bones healthy, and regulate blood chemicals that are essential to life. Hence, healthy kidney is crucial for healthy life. However, more than 1 in 7 American adults are estimated to have chronic kidney disease, or known as CKD. CKD is a condition in where the kidneys are damaged and cannot filter blood as well as they should. Because of this, excess fluid and waste from blood stay back in the body, and this potentially leading to various health issues like heart disease and stroke. Let's look at important nutrition that need to be regulated to boost kidney function while lowering the risk of further damage. 1. Choose and prepare foods with less salt and sodium. Eating less sodium helps lower blood pressure and may slow down CKD. Your diet should contain less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium each day. One of the kidney's important jobs is to filter sodium out of the body and into the urine. As damaged kidneys cannot filter the salt effectively, the sodium amount in blood increases, causing high blood pressure. Sodium is not only in the table salt, there are many added to packed and processed food. Hence, always focus on fresh homemade food. Use spices and herbs as a substitute for salt in meal preparation. Rinse canned vegetables, beans, meats, and fish with water to remove extra sodium. Always read the nutrition facts labels on packed food to know their salt content. Choose foods with the lowest percent daily value for sodium. Aim for 5% or less when choosing packed food. Check the label on fresh meats and poultry, as sodium additives can be used to make meat last longer. Look for foods labeled as sodium-free, salt-free, reduced, or less sodium. 2. Eat the right amount and the right types of protein. Protein is an important nutrition for human body function, but when our body digests protein, waste is produced. It is the job for kidney to remove this waste from blood. Hence, eating more protein can cause your kidney to work harder. Hence, people with CKD need to monitor their protein intake. Eat small portions of protein foods. Since protein is obtained from both animal and plant, have a balanced protein intake from both sources. Animal protein foods such as chicken, fish, meat, eggs, and dairy. Aim for the size of a deck of cards for cooked protein portion. Plant protein foods such as beans, nuts, and grains. Aim for 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of cooked food. 3. Choose foods and drinks with less phosphorus. Phosphorus is a mineral that helps keep your bones healthy. It also helps keep blood vessels and muscles working. Your kidneys can't remove extra phosphorus from your blood very well when you have CKD. This causes phosphorus to build up in your blood, making your bones thin, weak, and more likely to break. It can also cause itchy skin and joint pain. Many packaged foods have added phosphorus. Look for phosphorus or for words with PHOS on ingredient labels. Deli meats and some fresh meat and poultry can have added phosphorus. Ask the butcher to help you pick fresh meats without added phosphorus. Foods low in phosphorus. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Breads, pasta, rice milk, corn and rice cereals. Foods high in phosphorus. Meat, poultry, fish. Bran cereals and oatmeal, dairy foods, beans, lentils, nuts. Some people with CKD are required to take phosphate binder with their meals to lower the amount of phosphorus in their blood. 4. Choose foods with the right amount of potassium. The right level of potassium keeps your nerves and muscles working well. With CKD, too much potassium can build up in your blood and cause serious heart problems. Salt substitutes can be very high in potassium. Drain canned fruits and vegetables before eating. Foods lower in potassium. Apples, peaches, carrots, green beans, white bread and pasta, cooked rice and wheat cereals. Foods higher in potassium. Oranges, bananas, and orange juice, potatoes, tomatoes, brown and wild rice, dairy foods, whole wheat bread and pasta, beans and nuts. Since kidney disease has close links with heart disease, it's best to combine these choices with a heart-healthy diet, one that contains plenty of fresh, plant-based foods and is low in saturated fats. People with kidney disease have to manage their intake of phosphorus, salt, and potassium. At certain stages, they may also need to limit their protein intake. Everyone's experience of kidney disease varies, so it's important to talk with a doctor about your individual dietary needs.